before maglandfall, within the next 12 hours, mahimo na kining typhoon category. Pinaka-initial landfall nito and maabot ang peak intensity is 150 to 165 kilometers per hour. That is the maximum sustained winds. Wala pa ilabot ang gusty winds diha. Ang gusty winds mas taas pa. For the comparison of the previous tropical cyclone na atong na-experience diri sa Central Visayas, natay gi-check similar tracks or similar bagyo. Ang una diri si Super Typhoon Haiyan or Super Typhoon Yolanda is katong last November 2013. And also gi-compare po nato si Bagyong Odette. Si Bagyong Odette December 2021, ang kanyang maximum sustained winds is 195. Ang gustiness niya is niabot sa 240 kilometers. And katong usa, si Bagyong Ruping katong last November 1990, na sa atong record nakaabot og 205 kilometers per hour. So kanang tulo ka bagyo ang atong gi-basis as atong reference as similar tracks and or possible the intensity basis atong climatological for the Bagyong Tino.